Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to do enter or paragraph character on the Google Sheet. So if you want to make 2 lines or 3 lines or 4 lines on the Google Sheet in one cell, you can do it by following these steps. Actually, it's really easy to do. You just open your Google Sheet and then find your cells you want to enter 2 lines or the paragraph lines, and then for example here the result is, and then for example this one I want to make A B C, and then you press Alt on your keyboard and then click enter, and then I will put D E F. Also, if I want to do the third line, click press Alt, hold, and then click the enter, or press the enter and then I will put G H I, and then that's it, and then you can click enter by yourself, and then now I have 3 lines: A B C D E F G H I and so on. Okay, I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel. I don't know if you have any question, please put in the comment below. Thank you.